Hello guys, it's Master Trollers here with another video of Minecraft Bukkit plugin. This one's not most likely, it's basically not even a plugin review because I'm just going to be showing you some code. That's really it. But the things I find about most multiplayer servers is they have either all three and additional, or they have at least one of the following plugins. They either have World Edit, um, Essentials, which everyone has Essentials. It has like over 4 million downloads, but or this one, which is GroupManager, part of Essentials. And basically what it does is it creates a level system inside your game. So you can see this is the one I use for my server for people. If you were to come in my game, you would automatically become default by default. Inside default, you got default is equal to true or false. Only default, or whatever you have the default class named to, should have default equal to true. Permissions basically tells you what they're allowed to do. So these are the commands that they're allowed to do. You always type in the mod, like Essentials, and then the actual command with inside Essentials, or any other plugin that you have for them to be able to access. Then inheritance basically says, is there anyone lower, and are they inheriting the commands? Since this is the default class, they will not have any inheritance because there's nothing below them. Info, you can change their prefix with a custom color. Can they build, true or false? On my servers, defaults are not allowed to build. Suffix, all that good stuff that they can do. The next rank above that is noob for me. I give away noob positions every couple days, I think, depending on what I get. So, you can see here default equals false. Permission, they get all the permissions of noob, and you can see inheritance default. Now, here's the thing about this is I found that when I didn't have the commands that default had, it kind of didn't work for me. So I just went ahead and copied and pasted the commands default had, just to be sure that the noobs had the commands that default had, plus the extra commands I wanted them. Now you can see here inheritance has default. That's basically saying that it's going to inherit the commands that default are allowed to use, and then add what commands I want the noob to have. The prefix, you have the cool title noob with the color to it. Can they build, true or false? Noobs in my map are still not allowed to build. They don't have a cool suffix. And then you have moderator, to default. They get all these cool commands. They inherit builder. I don't know what this is, but I don't know what this is, but I'm not gonna delete it because it's probably something important. If I delete it, it's gonna mess up GroupManager. So, whatever. It doesn't even say it gets, noob default border. But info, you got the cool title mod. You can build if you're a mod. Um, um, but if you were in my normal ranking situation, I would rank you up noob, and then I'd rank you up to mod, and then if you apply to be an admin, I would rank you up to an admin. And you'd be like, whoa, you skipped one, guard. What's guard? Why do they get all these cool commands like fly and kill and really cool, useful stuff that I haven't even added the guard commands yet. The big guard commands, where they're allowed to do stuff to players. Guards in my server, what they'll be allowed to do is they'll go out looking for suspicious activity. They'll be able to use log block, which will detect who destroyed or who placed a block, and look for suspicious activities like people that are using hacks or mods like X-ray, sprint, god mode, whatever, that shouldn't be allowed to, and then they'll report to either an admin, a creator, or an owner. Usually if the owner's online, you'll report to him. If the owner's not on, you'll report to a creator. If the creator's not on, which probably will not be, then you'll report to an admin. And if the admin's not on, The guards, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna give them the band privilege permission, so they can ban the players by themselves. So, um, admin, they got a little more. They inherit moderator, and they get to admin. The guards, they get a prefix too. Guard, it's pretty cool. Creator, helps create the world with me. Owner is me, and there only will ever be only one owner. There will be more levels. I might add more levels depending on what my world needs, but currently right now, I'm accepting requests to be a guard. And if you join my world before the 30th, if I can get it up, you'll be able to get a free noob position, so you'll be able to skip a rank to noob and get some cool features that the defaults will not be able to achieve. So yeah, but if I don't have my server up by the 30th or a good extension of time, I will repost um, the noob giveaway. This is only one of our noob giveaways. I might actually not put up the server because I'm a little busy doing other stuff at the moment. So, it's been very cool doing this stuff. If you have an IP that you'd like me to troll on, and do be warned, I do give this stuff back. But if you would like me to troll, I would mention your server, give it in the description if you wanted me to. So you would be on Facebook. Well, not you yourself, but your server would be on Facebook. I can troll, or you can make me admin, and I can help you design and better improve your, um, your server. But for now, that's it. If you have any trolling ideas, you can leave them in the comments section. If you have any server IPs, you can put them in the comments section. Really, if you have anything, you can put them in the comments section below. Or you can email us with our email, which will be provided in the description. So, I cannot give you the server IP right now because I'm experiencing some problems with Hamachi and port forwarding. It's not yet port forwarded. I'll be port forwarding my server in just a couple days, maybe tomorrow or 2 days max. And it'll be port forwarded, hopefully. I did it correctly and it will actually work. And I won't have to use Hamachi anymore. So yeah. I hope this helps you with group manager. One last note though is that if you open your like my server in here, the file that I showed you with Notepad++, you'll not be able to access it unless you scroll down to your plugins. You run your plugins and you get GroupManager. And when you get GroupManager, you get a worlds. Your world, it should be world unless you have a different name for it in the properties settings. And then you go to groups. Users is where it will store, you know, information. So, it just stores information about the players. So, I hope you guys found this very, very helpful. If I missed anything that you wish I had put in here, you can leave it in the comment section. If you want an update video of any plugins or any plugin that I haven't done, you can leave them in the comment section, and I will hopefully get to them. So, guys, I hope you guys leave me some server IPs, some troll ideas, and some plugin ideas too. I'll try to get around to them. Like I said before in my other video, with Logblock, I wanted to show you guys that, but I can't show you it because it actually currently is down for SQL or QSL, so I can't actually create a database for that. So when that server gets back up, I will make a YouTube video Bukkit plugin for that. So guys, here ends my time. Bye bye.